This is my 72 C10, currently in the middle of restoring it. I mean, about 80% done, I would say. I'm in the finishing stages of putting it back together, cleaning it up. This truck actually was in pretty nice shape before it started. I restored it about 12 years ago. It was still in pretty nice shape, but was showing its age. Paint was starting to fail in a few spots. It was also a long bed, which really took away from the truck. You know, even though it was really nice, it always had that going against it. So I ordered the kit to shorten the frame. Did that. To be honest, extremely easy to do. I was thoroughly surprised. Bought the bed from LMC, did all the body work, and then obviously painted it. Painted it right outside. Well, most of the paint was done outside. Some of it was done in the shop. And for just outside paint job, I'm very, very happy with it. Now there are some spots, obviously, but I mean, beggars can't be choosers. I'm very thrilled with it. Now, things I still have to do is obviously bumpers. I have a ton of molding to go. Actually, this side still doesn't really have any of the side molding. There's more molding in between the roof line and the truck, around the drip panels. All the glass has to go in with that molding. But I thought it'd be cool to just do a little bit of an update. Truck is on air ride. I have most of the stuff right back here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all right about where like your spare tire wheel will go. Now these wheels are just temporary. I actually have one of them here. The new wheels are going to be these US Mag Ramblers. I'm super excited for that. The rears are 22 by 11 and the front are 22 by 9. And I know that seems like quite a big wheel, but I actually had 19-inch Corvette wheels on this before I did the restoration, and to be honest, they always just look so tiny. So I think this is gonna fit really nice. The paint is Synergy Green Metallic off one of the new Camaros, and the white is just winter white. I want it as bright of a white as I possibly could get, because my goal with this truck is I want it to be as loud and as flashy as possible, but have that old school vibe with the two-tone, almost make it look like a factory Hot Wheels car. It's a very specific look. I don't know if I'll get it, but I went everything as flashy as I could, and then when it comes together, my goal is to make it just all work and almost not even seem flashy. A few other things I did do was I had a tire 350 in there. I did replace it with a newer gone through motor, temporary, because I do plan probably next year doing an LS in it. This is just another small block Chevy, nothing fancy to it. I still have to go through the wiring. Gotta figure out something to do with the wheel wells. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to get the factory ones in there. Even with the new tires, it sits right on the fenders. But all in all, I'm still very pleased with it. The interior I didn't have to do much with because it was already nice. Obviously, I just got to put it back together. I did upgrade some pieces just to make it a little bit more flashy. So yeah, I mean, obviously I'm still about a month or two away from being 100%. I'm very excited with it, and you know, hopefully you guys out there think it's cool too. So let me know what you think.